Hi, welcome to Dream Cars, where we bring you the most exclusive details about the latest automobiles. Today we present the Maruti Suzuki Evitera, an electrifying addition to the SUV segment that combines futuristic design, cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance. Starting with the exterior, the Maruti Suzuki Evitera boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design highlighted by its bold front grille adorned with the iconic Suzuki logo and futuristic LED headlamps with dynamic DRLs. The sharply sculpted bonnet lines and muscular fan roof emphasize its commanding road presence. The dual-tone alloy wheels add a sporty touch, while the striking red body color amplifies the car's premium and modern appeal. The smooth contours and glossy finish reflects sophistication, while the integrated roof rails and panoramic sunroof complete the SUV's upscale look. The futuristic design philosophy is evident in every curve, ensuring it stands out on the road. Moving inside the interior of the Maruti Suzuki Evitera redefines luxury and technology. The dashboard features a large high-definition touchscreen and infotainment system with connected car technology, seamlessly integrating navigation, entertainment and vehicle controls. The fully digital driver's display offers real-time performance metrics and customizable options for a personalized driving experience. The cabin is adorned with ambient lighting that creates a soothing and modern atmosphere, especially during night drives. The seats are upholstered and premium beige leather with contrast stitching, offering both elegance and comfort. Ergonomically designed steering wheel complete with mounted controls and the Suzuki emblem ensures convenience at your fingertips. The spacious cabin provides a pologram and headroom, making it ideal for long journeys, while the dual-zone climate control keeps every passenger comfortable. Turning to the backside, the Maruti Suzuki Evitera continues to impress with its bold and stylish redesign. The sleek LED tail lights stretch horizontally across the width, creating a striking visual effect. The rear bumper integrates sporty elements including reflectors and skid plates, adding to its rugged appeal. The Evans R badging is prominently displayed, emphasizing its electric credentials. The rear spoiler not only enhances aerodynamics but also adds to the overall sporty aesthetic. The hands-free electric tailgate offers convenience, and the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Evitera marks a new chapter in the electric vehicle revolution, combining Maruti's trusted reliability with cutting-edge electric technology. The updated Evitera features a sleek modern design showcasing a blend of aerodynamic contours and bold aesthetics that stand out on the road. With an emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendliness, this electric SUV offers impressive range, rapid charging and a smooth, quiet driving experience. The cabin offers a premium tech-rich environment with intuitive infotainment system, seamless connectivity and an eco-friendly design philosophy that ensures comfort for both the driver and passengers. Packed with the latest safety features and advanced driver assistance systems, the 2026 Evitera provides peace of mind on every journey. The spacious brute ensures you can carry all your essentials with ease, making it perfect for both urban commutes and adventurous getaways. Thank you for exploring the Maruti Suzuki Evitera with us. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to subscribe to our channel Dream Cars for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned to Dream Cars for more exciting updates and in-depth reviews of the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Evitera and other groundbreaking electric vehicles.